Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your earbuds automatically starts music or pauses it. So actually on your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds, this issue is quite common. So what I do recommend doing at first is to update your earbuds to their latest version. If you don't know how to check for the apps and update your earbuds, check our channel because we have a video for that. Apart from that, you can check if your headphones have the smart word detection turned on. If they do, disable it. And we have the video for it too, so you can check that out. And apart from that, the player itself on the music application in question has stopped running, so you can just update the player or check the player itself. And as the final tip, you can open the case itself right here, tap 4 times on the touch areas right here, and they should blink red, and this is the factory reset. And now everything should be fine. If it doesn't, contact the device support to further assistance. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.